The vocabulary word we are exploring now is manufacturing. Manufacturing. When goods are made using machines in large factories, that entire process is called manufacturing. It plays a key role in economies, creating products we use daily, from clothes to gadgets to food items. Meaning of manufacturing. Manufacturing is the process of making products in large quantities using machinery. Examples: the country's economy depends on manufacturing. They are investing in clean energy manufacturing. She studied industrial engineering and joined the manufacturing sector. Short story. At a career fair, Rishi visited a stall with robot arms assembling shoes. "This is smart manufacturing," said the rep. Intrigued, Rishi asked about automation, quality checks, and mass production. He learned how manufacturing shaped everything he wore and used. Inspired, he researched sustainable techniques and even created a project on reducing waste in factories. That one stall sparked the goal to join the world of manufacturing and improve it. Rishi realized that behind every product is a world of process and precision.